As a leading supplier with over 50 years of manufacturing experience in the area of performance pressure-sensitive tapes for masking and surface protection, Intertape Polymer Group, IPG, is committed to providing high-quality engineered products that consistently meet the stringent demands of the aerospace industry. Within this time-lapse video, we will showcase how IPG's products are being utilized by Leading Edge Aviation, an AS9100 certified world leader in aircraft painting. To stay competitive, Leading Edge works 24/7 at over 8 locations to provide a fast turnaround while maintaining the highest level of quality, so that the world's largest fleet operators experience minimal downtime. Paint stripping is an important part of aircraft maintenance. The products you choose provide insurance for critical and expensive external parts. Selecting a tape that meets the performance and productivity requirements is of the utmost importance. For this reason, Leading Edge has chosen Intertape Polymer Group as their primary supplier. Here they are seen utilizing ALF 300, a dead soft, highly conformable 3mm aluminum tape with a chemical-resistant acrylic adhesive that provides a superior bond to bare aluminum, all aircraft coatings, composite parts, foil barrier laminates, and plastic sheeting. These properties allow you to be confident that you can use one tape for all parts of the aircraft during the stripping process. ALF 300 has the ability to corner, unlike its competitors, which minimizes the need to shingle around corners such as windows and exit doors, resulting in a lesser chance of chemical intrusion. ALF 300L pre-cut window mask can also be utilized with ALF 300 around the perimeter. The aluminum alloy used for ALF 300 is strong, yet conformable, allowing the tape to seal effectively around the many sensitive external sensors and antennas. ALF 300's unique finishing method promotes high productivity because it is easier to smooth and gives a superior seal when applied. It's resistant to slivering when there is edge damage, significantly reducing waste. No jagged edges reduce the possibility of cuts, resulting in employee injury downtime. ALF 300, used in conjunction with FBL 100, foil barrier laminate, and a variety of plastic films, effectively seals horizontals, composite parts, and landing gear against the damaging effects of the most caustic chemical paint strippers. ALF 300 adheres where it needs to, but also removes with the necessary ease, allowing for successful demask. The solvent-resistant high shear adhesive removes cleanly, which minimizes the time for cleanup and adhesive transfer removal, keeping production rates at peak performance. ALF 300 tape is listed on several OEM specifications and compliant to most others. Aircraft coatings vary greatly in chemistry, viscosity, and cure cycles. Regardless of the coating type, the owner expects a smooth, high-gloss livery with clean, crisp paint lines. IPG offers a broad range of paper and film masking tapes which fit the specific needs of the user, allowing them to meet and exceed customers' expectations. Pre-cut window masks eliminate the need to turning the radius and shingling over the window, resulting in higher production speeds and lower labor costs. All IPG performance masking tape can be produced for this type of application. IPG's performance paper masking tape offering is designed to meet the needs of specific coatings and workers. Our tapes can handle primers, high solid-low VOC paints, as well as the newer base coat, clear coat systems. IPG offers products specifically able to resist solvent wipe down and higher temperature cure cycles, and also offers paper tapes that have a crepe structure with a very smooth topography. This allows the painters in many instances to eliminate the need for a film fine line tape, saving taping time and minimizing inventory carrying costs. Bonding paper to paper for large area masking is a very important part of aerospace masking. IPG Performance Masking Tape Adhesive Systems bond well to coated, loaded, and uncoated paper. They also handle the shear forces necessary for heavy weights and the expansion and contraction caused by temperature and humidity. These performance characteristics guarantee overspray protection and eliminates issues caused by that overspray. Decal and touch-up masking is a necessary part of providing a complete finished livery. IPG's performance masking tapes provide flexibility, clean removal, and no paint flaking so that the process runs smoothly and efficiently. Leading-edge aviation counts on IPG's OEM specification-approved products to maintain its high level of quality, consistency, and fast turnaround. Regardless of the type of manufacturing or maintenance performed, fixed wing or rotary, commercial or military aircraft, component parts, or other aerospace systems, IPG has the right solution for you. You can take off knowing that our products will always offer a high-quality, cost-effective advantage.